Enfrijoladas is probably the simplest meal you've never heard of. It's super easy to make, inexpensive, and you probably have most of the ingredients you need right in your fridge. Enfrijoladas is a Mexican comfort meal. Nothing goes to waste in a Mexican kitchen, especially the beans. These are basically enchiladas that use pinto beans as the base. For the sauce, we're going to use 4 guajillo chiles, a quarter white onion, 3 cloves of garlic. Now we need to cut and deseed the peppers, rough cut a quarter onion, and peel the 3 cloves of garlic. Add these 3 ingredients to a hot pot of water, allow them to simmer for about 10 minutes. This will soften up the peppers. I'm using a mandolin to thinly slice red onion. I've also rinsed some shredded lettuce. Queso fresco works best for the recipe in my opinion. The fresh, salty flavor goes well with the earthiness of the beans. Now that the peppers are ready, place them in the blender with 4 to 4.5 cups of homemade pinto beans. Blend until smooth. Add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil to a hot pan and saute the beans until warm. On a hot griddle, add a little bit of olive oil and cook your tortillas. We're just trying to make them pliable so they don't tear. Gently dip the tortillas in the beans and place them on the serving plate. Add a generous amount of cheese to the center and fold. Top with lettuce, red onion, Mexican crema, and of course, more cheese. I hope you enjoyed this simple yet hearty meal. Like and subscribe to see more videos like this one. Thanks again and happy cooking.